Hello everyone, this is Shankar. Hope you are doing well. So in this video, I will explain about future interface use case. So it is not a sketch video, it is continuation video of multi-threading playlist. In previous last two videos, I have explained future videos. This is the final video of the future. Next video, I will start compatible feature. So let's get started. Let's understand the use case, then we can develop some piece of code. So we have two API calls. Suppose API call one, API call two. Each API call consider like a one task or one thread. One task or one thread. So we have two API calls that need to run asynchronously. Like asynchronously means synchronously means one after one. Asynchronously means parallel. This is one API call is executing. Same time another API call also executing. There is no blocking kind of. So while using the future, see, we have two API calls that need to run asynchronously. We can call asynchronously multiple threads by using executor framework, right? Executor service like that, right? So, but I want post task or post thread response as a parameter to another task. See, the post API calculates a total value from two numbers. This is the post API call calculating sum. AB sum it is calculating. The second API uses this total to perform another calculation. So whatever response we are receiving from the API 1, we need to pass to the API 2, right? Such as multiplying it by 5. API 2 will do post find out the total and multiply to 5. So by using a feature, it is condition like a using a feature. Both tasks run in parallel. See, parallel it is running both tasks, and the second API waits only at the accept moment when the post API result is required. So in our case, always we need post API call response. We are passing post API call response to second API, right? Answer faster execution while still maintaining the correct flow. So now we have a two API calls. One API call is calculating the total that response we are sending to another API as a parameter, right? While calling future.get, then only we will get post API call response. It is a blocks second API call until first API result is available. Until result is available, it is blocking. Once it is result is available, it is passing parameter to the second API call and it is releasing the assume like lock. It is releasing. So if I want second API call response, need to block here. So if we want second API call this response multiple response, then we need to call future.get. Future interface meant for blocking user future.get. So we will need future, it will always blocks. So if it is always blocks, right? Until result is available. So if result is immediately available, there is no block. If result is not available immediately, then it will block. So I will develop now some piece of code. So let's get started. We are understand, right? Two APIs are there. One API response we need to pass parameter to another API. This is our use case we need to implement by using future. So now this code I am developed in last video. This is third video. I am developed this in second video. Please go through. I will provide a playlist link in description of this video. So it is the feature test 3 class feature test 3 main method. This time I will read inputs from the console. This time I will read inputs from the console scanner as is equal to new scanner system.in control shift O for imports java.util.scanner. Then we need to say enter value enter value. Okay. So a value we are saying enter the a value. We need to rewrite scanner. So now int a equal to sa dot next int. It will read the a value. Same like we need to read b value, enter value b. So it will read the b value, right? Let's close the sa dot close. Now this is let's remove this. This is not required. Now thread pool based on CPU cores. So thread pool based on CPU cores. So executors dot new fixed thread pool. We can also add like 1, 2, 3 kind of here, but I will get from the CPU cores. So CPU cores runtime dot get runtime dot available processors. Available processors. So let's store into the, it will return type is a executor service. Executor service equal to control shift O, right? Control shift O. Next, after that, post API call. Agent API call one. We are performing the total here. Total here. API call one. We are performing the total. Total, right? We are performing the total. Now, service dot submit. We need to pass the callable. Callable as the functional interface. We are passing, like we are applying the lambda expression here. After that, so let's add addition. Let's perform addition operation. Public static int add int a comma int b. So return a plus b. Only I'm adding mandatory code. So I'm not adding unnecessary code. Return add a comma b. This we are reading from the scanner, right? A plus b. So it will return the, so future integer, future integer total, total feature control shift O. So this is the post API call is done. This this post API call response we need, right? What is happening here? Total equal to a plus b. It is happening, right? After that, so let's end total equal to feature complete, total feature dot get, total feature dot get. So semicolon, we need to handle, right? So do one thing. So this is the API call to, so this is the API call to multiply future. So total feature we need to call here total feature dot get. We are getting some result, right? Let's develop the multiply. Do one thing. Dot multiply future, right? Like total star 5, right? Let's remove this. Instead of, we will get some response, right? Star 5. So after that, so when if you want to get this result, so let's display this result. So let's display this result. Feature dot get. We need to handle the control Z. Use the try catch. Surrounding with try catch. So store, what it will return? It will return the integer. Integer multiplied. Integer. result, integer result. So system.out println result. See, this is the API call one. That API call one result we are passing to API call to multiply. What is the API call to? It is a multiply API call. So passing, right? So here we are passing. This is the API call one response we are passing to do. Here also another calculation we are doing. So finally we are printing the API call to response. So whenever we are using future.get, it is a blocking mechanism. Like if it is immediately executed, then there is no block. It will take some time. It will be blocking kind of. Control S. So we are reading inputs from the scanner. So let's pass. Suppose 2. 2 result will be 4. See, 2, 2, 2, 2 are 4, right? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 into 5. 4 into 5, 20. Otherwise, let's do another. Suppose so 4, 4, 4 plus 4. So 8, 8 into 5, 40, right? 8 multiplied by 5 equal to 40, right? We are receiving 40. 40, right? In this video, we are successfully understand future use case. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube